morning students. Now today I am going to give you the exercise of chapter 3. Okay, so all of you see it very carefully. First one is choose the correct option. Okay, first one is choose the correct option. In this first question is C is the symbol of, your correct answer is C, carbon. Okay, now second one, NaHCO3 is the formula of, your correct answer is B, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can say that sodium bicarbonate. It is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Okay, now third one is a mixture of coconut powder and water is a, your correct answer is C, solid liquid mixture. Solid liquid mixture. Okay, because coconut powder is a solid and water is a liquid, so it is a mixture of solid liquid. Now fourth one, plaster of Paris is a compound of, okay, plaster of Paris is a compound of, how many elements are there in the plaster of Paris? That you have to write. Your correct answer is A. Okay, in plaster of Paris, sulfur is present, calcium is present, oxygen is present, and hydrogen is present. So your correct answer is A. Now your second question is filling the blanks. Okay, first one, a mixture is an impure substance. Your answer is mixture. Second one, the Latin name of iron is ferrum. Third one, a symbol is the short representation of an element. Symbol. Fourth one, compounds of phosphorus, potassium and nitrogen. Phosphorus, potassium and nitrogen are used as fertilizers. Okay, fifth one is carbon and hydrogen are the constituents of methane. Carbon and hydrogen, methane, CH4. In this you can see carbon is also present and hydrogen is also present. Okay, now next question is third one, state whether true or false. Okay, third one is true or false. Third one is C. Okay, true or false. So first one, liquids which do not dissolve in each other are miscible liquids. It is false. In the place of miscible, you have to write immiscible. Immiscible. Okay. Now second one, a mixture of lemon juice and water is a homogeneous mixture. It is true. Third one, compounds can be easily broken down into their components by physical means. It is false. You have to add not after can. You have to add not after can. Fourth one, silver chloride is used in photographic films. It is true. Okay. Now your next one is give one word answer for the following. Okay, question number D. First one is chemical name of common salt. It is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Second one is an element present in chlorophyll of plants. It is magnesium. Magnesium. Okay. Now third one, a mixture of platelets, red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and plasma, blood. Okay, blood is a mixture of RBC. RBC means red blood cells, WBC means white blood cells, platelets and plasma. Okay, these all things are mixed in the blood. Okay, that is why Blood is a very good example of mixture. Okay. Now short answers type question. E1 is short answers type question. Okay. First one, write the symbols of the following elements. Okay. First one is boron. Symbol is B. Next one is germanium. Symbol is Ge. Okay. First will be in the capitals. Second letter will be in the small. Okay. Next one is tin. Sn. Okay. Next one is platinum. Symbol is Pt. P will be in the capital. T will be in the small. Okay. Next one is sodium. Na. Okay. Next one is iron. Fe. Okay. Last one is manganese. Manganese will be Mn. Now see the difference between magnesium and manganese. In manganese also see first two letter is Ma, and in magnesium also first two letter is Ma. So that is why the symbol of magnesium is M and the third letter is G, and the symbol of manganese is M, the first letter, and the third letter is N. So this is your first answer of short answers type question. Now the second one is name the following compounds. Okay, name the following compounds. Short answers type question. Second one, name the following compound. First one is SiO2. Okay, name is sand. Second one is CH4, methane. Third one is CaSO4 into 2H2O. It is plaster of Paris. It is plaster of Paris. Okay. Last one is NH3. It is ammonia. Okay. Now the third question is two examples of miscible liquids. You have to give two examples of miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. So I explained you miscible liquids are the liquids which can dissolve in each other. Okay, the liquids which completely dissolve in each other and make homogeneous mixture, they are called miscible liquids. So first example is water and milk. Okay, and second example is water and alcohol. Okay, immiscible liquid, first example is water and oil, and second example is water and petrol. Okay, so these are the answers from question number A to E. Now in this question number A, no need to write in the copy. Question number B, no need to write in the copy, and question number C also no need to write in the copy. Only you have to write question number D and question number E you have to write in the copy, and question number A, B, C you have to learn from the book only. Okay, so question number E and question number D you have to write in the copy and you have to learn it. In my next video I will give you long answers type question. Thank you so much.